Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install EXE apps on Android. So if you want to install an .exe app on your Android phone, EXE files are made for Windows, but in this video, I'll show you how you can run them on Android step by step. So the EXE files are Windows executables, so they are not natively supported by Android, but with some smart tools, we can simulate a Windows-like environment and run certain EXE files. The first method that you can use is using the Wine app. You can download the Windows emulator called Wine APK from the official site winehq.org. You can just go to that page, this one. So you can just install the APK file on your Android device, but you need to first allow unknown source in settings, this one. You can just choose the download in here, and after you install, you can just open the Wine applications and it loads a Windows-like desktop, and you can use the file manager to browse to your .exe file and tap it. If compatible, it will launch and run. So this will work best for lightweight apps, not for heavy games. Second method, you can use a DOS box for older access. If you have an older DOS-based EXE app, you can use DOSBox Turbo from Play Store. So you can just find the app DOSBox Turbo. This one. And after that, you can just place the exe in a folder like /sd card /dos/app.exe and launch the DOSBox and mount the directory. So what you can and cannot run on the Android, you can run basic Windows utilities, task-based exe files or old apps, but heavy games, .NET apps or drivers won't work, so they need full Windows support. And don't forget to always download EXE files from trusted sources. A bad EXE can harm your phone just like it can on a PC, even in an emulator. And that's how you can install and run EXE files on Android. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on running full Windows OS on Android. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!